Hello guys, once again welcome to the channel. As I mentioned on the previous video, I am rebuilding this suspension on this Dodge Avenger. Slowly but surely the car is getting back to good shape. To tell you the truth, the car is very easy to work on. Parts are always available and actually pretty cheap, so in my opinion that is a big plus for this car. So far it has new tires, new sway bar end links on the front and back, and now it has new rear control arms, which are very easy to install and definitely made a big change on how the car feels. The majority of the bolts are 18mm with the exception on the lower control arm that has a 15mm nut. Just make sure the washer fits well, and if you want to take it a step further, you can take the car for an alignment. Without further to say, I hope this video helps you, and if it does, give it a thumbs up, share, and consider subscribing.